Hello and welcome to PowerPoint Designer. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this animated timeline slide only on just PowerPoint 2016. In this slide, you are watching the animated slide with a background. This background I have created to make the slide more gorgeous. So first of all, we will see how to make this background. Select this blank slide and select a circle shape, put it over here, then make it more bigger than and make it no fill, then increase its weight to 3 point, then select a 4 point star and put it in the middle of the circle. Then make it no fill and change its weight to 3 point. Then select the circle shape, make it duplicate and resize it, make it smaller than the previous and put it in the corner of that 4 star. We'll resize and fit the star in the middle of the circle. Make this circle more 3 times. Put it in the corner of the star. Select the whole shape and make it group. Then resize it, make it smaller and put it on the top side of left of the slide page. Select the shape, make it duplicate and place exactly the right side of the previous shape. Make it more, make it group, place it over the top and make this whole shape do a duplicate and place it below the previous shape. The whole background has been created. Make it group, then resize it and fit to the slide shape. So the background has been ready. Select this shape and change its color to light gray. Now select a rectangular shape and put it over the previous shape. Change its color, no outline, then make it white color. So the background has been ready. We make the two shapes into a group. Now we will make a circle shape. Now we have to make this circle shape. We have created our background shape. Now we move to the main point of this slide. We have created two corner shape. So make this corner shape. We need to select this shape. Change the size of this shape. Now change its color. Make it no outline. Make a duplicate of this shape and put over the right corner of this slides. We will reduce the width of this shape. Make it exactly the right side of this slide page. Now select a circle shape. Change its size. Make the height of this circle shape to 4.20 and the width of this circle shape is to 4.20. Make it no outline. Then fill the color of this circle to red. Press Ctrl D to make the duplicate shape of this shape. Change its color and change the size of this circle shape. The height of this circle shape is 1.90 and the width of this circle shape is 1.90. Then put in the middle of the red circle shape. Now make another duplicate of this circle shape and change the size of this circle shape to 1.05 and the width of this circle shape is 1.05. Change the color of this circle shape to white and put it in the middle of this black circle shape. So now we will select a line and put it over here. Then change the width of this line, make it more longer, and change this outline to red. Select this red circle shape, make another duplicate of this circle shape and reduce its size, make it more smaller and put under the line. So the whole shape has been ready. Now we'll make a text. No outline and no fill. Color of this text is black. Now we will create the animation of this shape. First you select this black shape, go to animations, then select this fly in, then go to animation pen, select this, make it after previous and change the duration of this black shape to 1 second. Now select this red shape, go to animations, then select this grow and turn, make it with previous. The duration of this red shape is 0.75 and make it delay with black shape. So now we have to select this white shape. Now we will select bounce animation, change this to after previous, and the duration of this white shape is 1.25 seconds. We will check this animation. So our animation has been ready for this 3 circular shape. We will select now this line, select this whip of animation, make it from top, make it to after previous, then select this smaller circle shape, make it to the animation of this smaller circle shape is zoom, make it after previous, and both of this line and smaller circle shapes animation duration is 0.50. Then select this title shape, select this whip animation and make it from top, make it after previous, then select this dummy text and select the animation float in, make it after previous. The animation of this title shape and rectangular shape is 0.5 seconds. So we'll check this animation. So we have complete our animations for one shape. Then select this whole shape, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and put it in the exactly right side of the previous. Make it more one, make it more one. So here is 4 shapes and 4 different animations for each a shape. Put this shape in the middle of the slide. We have missed 2 animations. Select these corner shapes and select fly in. These shapes will be from top of the slide and these shapes will be from bottom of the slide. So select this shape, change the effect from top, then select this shape, select these 2 animation of that 2 shapes and put it on the first of all of the slide. Now it's okay. So we'll check the whole animations. So here is our animations has been completed. I hope you will enjoy this slide. Thank you.